We're here. Hanap lang kami ng parking. And then, nag-picture taking si Aging. Ito rin, mga international. Hindi, no? May mga kasabit kayong hindi international.
Siyempre.
Oh, okay.
Ano yan? By country.
Yes. By batch. Hanap kami ng parking. Nandito na kami sa auditorium. Lang safe.
Saan yung entrance?
Ayan. So maaga kami ng 1 hour. So let's go.
Parking over there. By the way.
So Dabong is here na. Ayan na si Dabong. Bit-bit na yung toga. Init. Nakabarong ang Dabong. Naiinitan siya. Oh. Langga is asaman imong
Wait lang.
blouse. Putok na putok ang dibdib.
Just a little. Wait, hold on.
Ang? So punta na kami. Pasok na kami ng auditorium. Vlog na lang tayo dun sa loob, okay? See you there. Dabong. Isang bagsak dyan. Isang lingon. Dabong. Lumingon sa pinanggalingan. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Dito kami guys. Nag-aantay na ceremony. Be, nakikita ko ang sadukin nga gugmal para sa akong dambong. So dito kami ngayon guys, nag-aantay. Dito kami sa agad o pagugumpaan namin. Kasi 1 pa yung start ng program and then maaga kami dito. Guys, dito na kami sa loob. Nakaupo na kami. Nakita na namin yung seat and then wala pa. Bumili pala kami ng graduation stuff. Ang cute.
They say, hold up your teddy bears.
Yeah. It's nice. So dito na kami sa loob and then waiting na kami kay Dabong. Buko nag-stick out.
Look, mommy.
Mahulog ha? Kukunin yan ng tao. Yun lang ga.
I
Huwag
can
lang
hold
ga.
it. I can hold it.
No. No, don't do that. Don't do that. So yun guys. Ang cute-cute ng teddy. Wait na lang kami kay Dabong. So yun guys. The program is about to start. Yeah. So andito kami sa taas. Nakikita talaga namin si Dabong. Nice ang seat namin. Kasi dito sa pinakataas. Tapos sa front kami, oh. Walang nakaupo sa harap namin.
But that one can't see us.
Capstone projects and exams, all of it has led you here to this moment. We couldn't be happier to come together and celebrate your achievements.
Into leading and where we built the foundation for our futures.
So tapos na guys ang graduation ceremony. Ayun ang status na. Sila. So tapos na guys ang graduation ceremony. Pauwi na kami. Magpipictorial lang sa labas and then uwi na rin siguro kami kasi makulimlim. Antayin namin si Dabong sa labas. Guys, pauwi na kami pero umuulan. It's a blessing. Kanina, ang ganda ng panahon. Nang pauwi kami, umulan.
Mas yung mauinit ka siya.
That is raining. Okay guys, we're home and it's raining pa rin. Baba na tayo. Makulimlim lang, no? Let's go. Ka na?
No, there's no one.
Wala. So, paalis na naman kami guys. And daddy is kasama na namin. Magdi-dinner kami sa Asian buffet. Kasi, ha?
Why is Asian?
Ito maraming food.
And also it's Babu's graduation.
Yeah, it's Dabong's graduation. So, magsiselebrate kami ng,
That's a gift.
yes, ng graduation ni Dabong. So, doon kami magdi-dinner.
It's my gift for listening there.
Pagkano? Gabi?
So, dito na kami, guys. Dito? Hala, mahal. Pagkano ga? Pag dinner? 23 lang. 33? Oh.
The same.
40 plus daw, grabe. So, dito na kami sa buffet. Table for 4. Ah, for 5. Baby man yan.
Feel it. It's so cute.
So, dito na kami guys sa loob. Nag-aantay. Kain tayo na tempura. Try nyo. Miss na miss ito ni Daddy. So, let's go guys. Walang tao naman. Let's go. Ay no. Gutom kita. Kagabuyog kong ulo. Nantay ito. Kasulog. No? Let's go. Go get food na. Para makakain na tayo at gutom. Mong bag, bibi. Wala kang wallet dyan. Dalhin mo. May pagbalik mo, wala na. Wow, yummers. Sushi, sushi.
Oh my God, they have
Ano to, Dad? Uy, may isda, oh. Ikot muna tayo. Wait lang, sushi, ging. I love sushi.
Is there any sushi without vegetables?
Wala.
Aww. I want sushi.
Huwag ka ng plate mo and then take your food.
option of
Yeah.
sushi, egg roll.
Yan, masarap
There's
dito.
no sushi, Mommy, for me. Mom,
Hindi na ako mag-rice. Ito lang
I want
sushi.
sushi. But there's vegetables.
Puro sushi ang rice ko. Pingi nga ako yun ka. Ano yan?
Sure.
Dali araw may shrimp. May shrimp king ako.
Isa pa?
May shrimp king. Yummers. Tikim lang. Kumuha si Age. Kumuha ka rin. Got a lot ang sushi, guys. Sushi. Si Sayon. Si Dabong. Nag-rice ka, gang? Hindi na. Si Daddy. Si Daddy gulay, ah. First. Abog.
Mom, could
First-
you give me some sushi with no vegetable?
First, ano? First, ano, Daddy? First plate.
Ooh.
My first plate. Ate's plate.
Sarap.
Mommy, it's a squid.
Squid.
No? It's not.
Dad.
Daddy rice.
Mom, you copied me.
Why?
And Auntie, we got onion rings.
I love onions, baby. Marunong mag-chopstick, buti pa si Sayo. Marunong talaga siya dahil maghawak. Chopsticks talagang baby ah. Very good. Wow, mga gutom yan guys. Grabe, kinag-buffet.
Mommy, I want.
Wow, very good ah. Marunong talaga mag-chopstick ang baby namin. Apo, ay. Pero di pa tapon natin. Daddy, oh, gutom. Kuha kami ng dessert guys. Naka 2 plates na kami. Nakadalawang plate. Ay, oh, may fruits. Ano dito? Ah, magpapaluto ka. Ito, ano dito? Salad. Salad. Ah, may isang piling pa na saging. Tahong dad, oh. Nagre-refill ng tahong. Nagre-refill ng tahong. Ang masarap.
May mango.
Ano to? Blueberry? Ay, masarap yan.
I think it's cheesecake. It's
Cheesecake. Bigyan mo ako ng cheesecake.
What's your favorite?
strawberry.
Move, baby.
No, you put
Move
mint
ka
in
dito,
the
may kukuha.
strawberry, and that's really bad.
Yeah, not too much.
Dalawang scoop.
Oh, I didn't know they had cookies and cream.
That's it.
Aww.
Okay
I
na.
wanted
Ito,
cookies
ayaw
and
matanggal.
cream.
There you go, thanks.
Try naman.
Cookies and
Saan yung
Did that
spoon?
finish your...
Ikaw, dad, kain ka pa? Busog na? Crab, gusto mo? Egg tart? Kunti imbis. King crab dun.
They have like cakes and stuff. They have jellies over there. Fruits too. No.
Ay, may toppings. Ice cream toppings. No. Okay na ako. Mamaya na lang yan.